Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana, and today I have this very pretty wand curl wig unit sent from Junoda's hair. They were nice enough to send me over this really pretty wig unit, so let's just go ahead and get into the packaging. So they sent over this satin bag where you can place your wig unit in once you're done with it. It also came with a few goodies, you guys. Came with the informational card, an edge brush. I also received a satin scarf as well, and then a wig cap. So I am going to go ahead and open the baggie so I can show you guys the informational card. Basically in the inside is just showing you guys the do's and don'ts of the wig unit, and it also came with an elastic band that's velcroed so you can place it around your head and lay your baby hairs, some eyelashes, and then this Junoda hair clip, which I didn't use in the video, but nice touch. So again, I want to go ahead and get into the specs of this wig unit. Again, Junoda Hair sent me over 180% density wig unit in 22 inches and also in the Bodywave texture. So this does have the 4C edges, or the kinky edge style wig hairline, you guys, whatever you guys want to call it. I know every company kind of just have their own name for it, but I've already reviewed this in the curly texture and also the kinky straight texture, which I think they look amazing in with the kinky edges. But today we're doing the Bodywave, and I think it looks just as natural, which you guys would see as I'm like applying my wig unit. So if you guys are looking for something natural where you really don't have to like do your baby hairs, if you're not really a fan of baby hairs and you don't know how to really do them, they don't look right on you, I think it's easier if you have this kind of wig, because it's easier to kind of like play and manipulate this wig unit, you guys. I feel like you can't really go wrong with your baby hairs with this because it just looks just as natural, right? So I want to tell you guys that I did go in and bleach the knots on my wig unit, you guys, and I did place my foundation up under the lace as well so that it can look natural on my skin tone. So I'm using my Ghost Bond Supreme glue. You guys always ask the glue that I use. You can find that in my Amazon storefront along with all the other products and things that I use in my hair videos. And also I will link it down in the carousel, YouTube carousel as well, so you guys can purchase the products. So anyways, this was a really easy install, you guys. It looks really natural, which you guys would see once I pull the lace down into my forehead and lay it down and it gets to melting. I also want to say that I did not use the Even Wonder spray, the lace bond spray, and I usually use that in my on my lace wigs, but with this wig unit, I guess because I bleached the knots, it looks natural already, so I really didn't have to go the extra step and do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and press my lace into the glue. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of glue residue around the hairline, but it's going to melt into the baby hairs of the wig unit. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and press in the lace instead of using my fingers. So I feel like it's just like cleaner, and you don't have to have all the residue and the oils from your fingers getting on the glue and things of that such. So yeah, I'm also taking the rat tail comb and kind of pressing my baby hairs away from the actual hairline of the wig unit, and as you guys could see, it's starting to look natural, like really natural. And I'm just going to take my tweezers and pluck the hairline on the left and the right side, because I felt like it was a little full, so I just wanted to like open it up a little bit more around my ear area, and that's pretty much it. Like, this was really easy, you guys. You don't even have to really tweeze. You can really just pull out a couple of strands. So as you guys could see, I'm just brushing the hair out, and it looks really natural already. Like, it's starting to come into form simply because I took that rat tail comb and pressed the baby hairs into the glue that I had left over. And just like that, I have a very natural looking hairline. I didn't even have to do anything, you guys. Like, this was very simple. Like, I think you guys can do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair oil because I want this shiny, sleek look a little bit with my hair. So I'm just gonna spray some oil, and I'm taking my T3 Micro blow dryer. And I actually really love this blow dryer, by the way, you guys. It's in my Amazon storefront. They sent this in PR a while ago, but I'm just locking in the moisture from the oil because I want it to actually lock into my hair strands and not just sit on my hair. So with this parting right here is pretty much as far as you can go with the side part. Any deeper with the parting, you would be like cutting into the tracks or whatever, whatnot. So I think it's a pretty decent side part, you guys. It's not too deep and it's not too centered, you know. So yeah, I think it looks really nice, you guys. I think this hair quality is actually really good as well, and it is washed. Okay, it's not straight out of the box. I did bleach the knots and I did wash this wig unit, and I love the quality of this hair. And hopefully they send me another wig unit because I actually do like their hairline of their wig units, the density as well, you guys, the quality of the hair, no tangling, no shedding with it either. Love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I style my wig unit. I am wand curling it today, and it's actually very easy to get these types of waves as well, you guys. So just stay tuned and watch until the end. But in the meantime, I'm done here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.